Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Take two. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix session expired on Facebook. So this is sometimes what happens. You are just scrolling on your Facebook and then a message from up saying session expired on Facebook. So it's a basic process, or let's say it happens with everyone. So to do it, what you can do is you can just check your internet connection for the first thing, and then what you can do is just go to your settings, then go to apps, then go to apps again, and then go to Facebook. And from here, just go with the storage and do the clear data option and clear cache memory as well. And then what you need to do is just go to your Play Store and then search for Facebook. And over here, if you have any updates of the Facebook, just go with it and just update it, and then use your Facebook. Your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.